So I just got done working out. I did 40 minutes of aerobics and then I run for a mile, and I've been doing this for about 3 years. I've only been running for the last 4 or 5 months. But anyway, people ask me, they're like, hey, how do you keep the motivation? That's the problem with me. I can't keep the motivation. And guess what? I don't. Over 50% of the days that I get up and work out, I do not want to. This is not about motivation. This is about commitment. This is about habit. This is about saying, this is what I'm going to do. And you get up, and it doesn't matter if you got the sniffles. It doesn't matter if you didn't sleep good. It doesn't matter if your work is stressing you out. You get up and you work out. That's it. Has nothing to do with motivation. The only part that requires motivation is for you to make that initial first decision that you're going to be better, and you start doing it. After that, you just got to keep doing it. So come on, get up and do it. You need some help? I have a really cool program. It's completely free. It's called Giving Up. There's a website in the description. Follow it. Become better. Give up on laziness. Give up on addiction. Give up on bad relationships. Give up on that shit and get a better life.